Hello and welcome. This is News Now. I'm Shibani Gharat. It was a choppy session on Dalal Street as benchmarks saw a sharp correction, erasing their morning gains. Now, Nifty failed to hold on to 25,800 level after hitting the high of near 25,950 in the morning trade. Broader markets also saw selling pressure as both mid and small cap ended with around 1% cut. Sectorally, Nifty IT was the top sectoral loser, declining for third straight session. Snehi Shah joins in with more details.
Well, yes, another tepid day of trade coming in for the market where we've seen weakness. What started out to be pretty okay fizzled out towards the midday mark, and you've seen all those gains that we saw for the Nifty around the 25,900 thereabouts. All of that lost steam because we've shut shop at 25,758. We struggle to hold above the 25,750, 25,800 levels, and that's exactly where we've shut shop. A 0.3% cut for the Nifty. Sensex also saw a 0.3% cut. India VIX was absolutely flat, but you had slightly steeper cuts of about 0.4% to about 0.5% coming in for the Nifty Bank. Now, select stocks did very well on the Nifty 50 gaining side, like Eicher Motors, HDFC Life, Hindalco and Tata Steel. But on the flip side, pressure continued for Interglobe Aviation, another about 3.25% cut over there. Eternal was lower by 3%. Trent, Adani Enterprises, JSW Steel, all of these stocks were the top Nifty 50 losers. Sectorally, only a handful of sectors in the green, namely Nifty Metal and Pharma. Following that, you had Nifty FMC on the flat line and Nifty Energy right about there. But then the cuts started intensifying for Nifty Auto, Realty, Bank, Financial Services, Nifty PSU Bank, and the top losing sector, of course, Nifty IT. So overall, it was a weak day of trade coming in for the banking and financial names. Select NBFCs also was slightly under pressure. But if you take a look at some metal names like Hindustan Zinc, that stock was about higher by about 4.25%, and that high was sustained throughout the day, given that spot silver crossed that $60 mark for the first time, and about 20 to 30% revenue for Hindustan Zinc is derived from the silver segment. So that stock continued to do well. Vedanta, Jindal Steel, Hindalco, Tata Steel did well. Select pharma names like Ajanta Pharma, Ipca Labs, Wockhardt, Torrent Pharma also did well. On the flip side, it was immense pressure for Persistent Systems, 4.25% in the red, followed by Coforge, OFSs and Infosys. So largely the mid-cap IT basket was spooked in the red. You also had select PSU banks like Bank of India, Union Bank, Indian Bank, Bank of Baroda and UCO Bank that were under pressure, ranging anywhere between 1 and 2.5%. So largely that is what the market texture was. Yes, you did have some stocks that did well. IRB Infra, AU Small Finance Bank, GPT Infra, all of these stocks have done well, but largely the market breadth was tempered and the market closed in the red. All eyes are going to be on how the market reacts to the FOMC commentary, and of course how the Sensex expiry day plays out for the market.